Well, I'm feeling good today. After about 3 weeks, been in a city with the rain, can go anywhere really. And today was good, and I'm out. Back to my element, back to the countryside. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. I'm not in my destination yet, but the ride, just amazing. So peaceful. Oh, it's so nice to be in nature again. So that's why we are today. Kataw Falls. I think it will be pronounced like that. Kataw Falls. And there is few other falls around this area. You can see all those big valley gorges there, so, and the river going down. I might try to stop to the other one a little bit further down. Let's go and have a look. Woohoo! Nice to be in nature. Oh. So yeah, the ride from here was beautiful. It's about an hour out of Iloilo city from my hotel, I think. Maybe a little bit more because I stop here and there. And it's my real first excursion out of the city since I've been on Panay Island in Iloilo. I just asked a guy this morning when I was leaving my hotel. Actually, I didn't really know where to go, and I just asked someone if there is waterfalls around here, and he said this is probably the closest. So I took his advice, a local guy, Filipino from Iloilo, and it looks nice. But anyway, I'm just so glad to be out, be in nature. After a few weeks, I was getting a bit of cabin fever. All right, let's go and have a look closer. And because of the rain the last few weeks, at least there is a guarantee there will be some water. And the entrance was 80 pesos, which is not too bad. Reasonable. It still probably can have more water. Still not raging. Probably going to be too loud with the sound of the waterfall, but there it is. Not big, but there's water. Just nice to be in nature, that's all. do a bit of exploring. Very nice. Like I say, about an hour north of Iloilo. Very nice, refreshing. Bit of cold water, it was good. It's beautiful, so peaceful. Small fall, but that's my first waterfall there on the Panay Island. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye for now.